Hi, I'm Dr. Hlatshwayo Davis, Director of Health for the City of St. Louis. I have Dr. Mulugheta Teferi, Chief of Staff for the Urban League of Metropolitan St. Louis with me today. The Urban League manages one of the City of St. Louis cure violence sites. Hello, Dr. Teferi. Would you tell me and the viewers about cure violence?
Hello, Dr. Maddie, and hello, our viewers. The Cure Violence program in St. Louis is a public health data-driven program that works to reduce gun violence in targeted areas of the city, such as Walnut Park. The program works to stop the spread of violence by detecting and interrupting conflicts, identifying and treating high-risk individuals, and changing social norms.
Studies show that nearly 1,300 children younger than 18 years of age die from shootings every year, and 1 in 3 families with children have at least one gun in the house. Recently, the City of St. Louis had several tragic firearm-related events involving children. What advice do you have for St. Louisans to avoid these dreadful events, Dr. Teferi?
I would say easy access to a firearm is a major contributor to many accidental shootings that involve children. Parents and other adults store guns in a way to allow those weapons to be quickly accessible and ready to use. Unfortunately, these storage places are also easily accessible to children, and they are finding the guns. The best way to keep your child safe in your home from guns is to remove all firearms from your home. If you're going to keep a gun in the house, it should be stored, locked, and unloaded. Also, ammunition should be stored in a separate location from the firearm. I would also say never leave children unsupervised in a home with a gun. Finally, before visiting friends and relatives, check to make sure if they have firearms, and if so, they are stored, unloaded, and locked.
Thank you for that, Dr. Teferi. So many important points for our viewing public to understand. It's not just about what's in your home, but also being mindful about other people's homes too. So, Dr. Teferi, in your opinion, why aren't some adults storing their firearms in a safe manner? What's going on here?
Some adults don't safely store their guns because they believe some of the myths that are out there, like hiding their guns, will prevent children from accessing them. Data shows that approximately 75% of children who live in homes with guns know where they are stored. Another myth is children are not capable of firing a gun. However, children as young as 3 years of age may be strong enough to pull a trigger.
Wow, Dr. Teferi, I would have never imagined that children as young as 3 can do that. And I think it's such an important point about kids usually knowing, even when we think they don't. So the next question that I have, Dr. Teferi, is you mentioned firearms should be stored and locked. Are there places in the City of St. Louis to obtain free gun locks?
Gun locks are being distributed by the St. Louis Fire Department at 30 firehouses across the city. Viewers can call 314-533-3406 for more information. Gun locks are also available at Baden, Hlatshwayo Davis, Divoll, and Cabanne branches of the public libraries in the city of St. Louis.
Thank you, Dr. Teferi, for these gun safety tips today. Firearm safety is critical to the health of our families and to the health of our community. Also, we know that gun locks save lives. The City of St. Louis Department of Health joins Mayor Tishaura Jones, Cure Violence St. Louis, the City of St. Louis Fire Department, Metropolitan Police Department of St. Louis, and others in encouraging St. Louis residents to unload, lock, and safely store their firearms. Be safe, be well, St. Louis.